Hello and welcome to the unit tutorial for History Year 6, Unit 2, Conflict and Resolution, and this is video part 1. This video will walk you through the following areas: what resources are available and how to access them, the unit's disciplinary and substantive concepts, the unit's inquiry question, and the unit's sequence of learning. The resources you'll be able to access on Oxford OWL are the History Progression document, the Teacher Subject Knowledge Guide, the Unit Planning Guidance, PowerPoint slides, the pupil workbook and the ebook workbook, additional resources to go alongside some lessons, pupil knowledge guide, posters, and discovery box cards. To access the resources, you will need to log into Oxford OWL, click on subscriptions, select the year group and subject you want, in this case year 5 and 6 history, scroll down to view the available resources, select the year group from the drop-down option, select the unit from the drop-down option, and download the resources for each lesson. Here is an overview of the disciplinary and substantive concepts for this unit. You can find information on all these concepts in the progression document for history and this unit's unit planning guidance. Although all units will support pupils with historical understanding, the main units we've highlighted as supporting this one is the Year 4 unit, Unit 1, the Romans, the Year 5 unit, Unit 1, Anglo-Saxons and Scots, and learning that pupils will undertake in Key Stage 3 history based around the Holocaust. For more information on prior and future learning, please refer to the History Progression document and this unit's unit planning guidance. Every history unit has an inquiry question which the learning is centred around and is answered after Lesson 10. The inquiry question for this unit is: how and why did Britain fight in the 2 World Wars, and how did they change British society? The main disciplinary concept for this unit is DC1, cause and consequence, to understand some of the ways in which the 2 World Wars changed British society. This is the lesson sequence for this unit. There are 10 lessons in this unit, which are approximately 2 hours each, apart from lesson 10, which is just 1 hour to allow time for inquiry question planning and completing. This unit spans the entire term. Each lesson question drives the learning for that lesson, and pupils should be able to answer the lesson question based on their new learning at the end of the lesson. To support this new learning, at the start of each lesson, pupils complete a knowledge quiz based entirely on the previous lesson's learning. This allows opportunities for teachers to check for understanding and address any misconceptions before moving forward. To prepare to teach a unit, we recommend you read through the Teacher Subject Knowledge Guide, read through the Unit Planning Guidance to be aware of any upcoming trip suggestions or activities that need resources, and use a copy of the pupil workbook to complete the activities yourself. We'd recommend using a pupil workbook as a teacher copy to do this. We provide the answers for each activity, but working through the activities yourself will allow you to put yourself in your pupil's shoes, as well as starting the process of working out what adaptations may need to be made. Before you start video part 2, take some time to complete your exemplars for each of the lesson activities, and we'll see you back for part 2, where we'll look at adaptations and key moments from the unit to prepare for.